Hey, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. So what you want to do is open up your Facebook account. Once you open up your Facebook, you want to click on the bottom left on the menu and from there click on your profile. Now once you are here, so if I were on a professional, here it will say like analytics, insights and things like that. So to fix that, what you need to do is click on the three dots on the right side, scroll down until you need to see turn on professional mode. You would click on that and basically you would click on turn on. Now the second option, if this is not showing to you, what you need to do is go to your settings, then you want to type in storage, and from storage you need to wait until this loads up, and then let's scroll down until we see Facebook. As you can see here, you can see your app size and data document. But if I were to go here again, basically once you're on this screen, it should tell you like delete documents and data, restart app and something like that, so that it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.